Hey everyone, HTVRONT just sent me their manual hat heat press to review. And if you've been following me, you know I love heat transfer vinyls and I love DTF printing, so this came right on time. As you can see, this press is very sturdy with a reinforced metal body, and if you're making tons of hats, it has extra large suction cups for extra stability. I'm only using mine sporadically, so I won't be using the suction cups today. This press features an aluminum integrated Teflon heat plate with even heat distribution, and it comes with a small and large platen so you can easily go from a baseball hat to a trucker hat. You can adjust the temperature from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 with precise 1 degree Fahrenheit adjustments, so you can fine-tune the settings for different materials like polycotton, 100% cotton, or even linen. Today I'm making a baseball hat for myself, so I'm using the smaller platen. Here you can see how easily the hat fits onto the press. There is a guide in the instruction manual which helps with the temperatures and times for specific materials. My hat is cotton, so I'm using 293 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 seconds. Here I'm cutting my design from heat transfer vinyl. This is small, so I'm taking my time weeding it. It's also very intricate. Next, I'll position it onto my hat. It's small enough that I don't need transfer tape to keep it in place. When I place my hat on the press, I'll also use the adjustable hat stretcher to ensure a perfect press. The stretcher also leaves no room for wrinkles or deformation. Add a Teflon sheet over the design, and once you pull down the lever, it will automatically count down the seconds until it's ready. This was my first time using the press, and I have to say, it was easy and I got a perfect result immediately. I definitely recommend this heat press if hats are your thing. I think next year for our family camping trip, I'm going to make hats to match our shirts. Why not? I found if you fold the band down before you place your hat on the platen, you'll have a completely flat surface in which to press your image. If you're using two different colors of heat transfer vinyl, let your first press cool on the heat press, pull the plastic, and then add your second color. Check down below in the description for links to the HTVRONT hat heat press. It's definitely a nice addition to my studio, and I think it'd be a great addition to yours, if you like making hats. thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon.